All right, so let's talk about our project for today. So this is made out of wood and stucco. Now, somewhere along the lines, they had a miscommunication and they didn't want stucco on this hood. So what they did is they gave us a call. They reached out to us and they're like, hey, can you put Venetian plaster on us? And we said, yes. So what we did is we made them a sample and we tinted it to the color that's on their walls. It's called alabaster from Sherwin-Williams. So what we're gonna have to do here is we're gonna have to scrape these little boogers off. There's little rough spots, little sand. You can probably hear it falling down. We're gonna prime it, and then we're gonna put 3 coats of Marmorino KS, which we love Marmorino KS. It's our favorite material. And then we're going to be putting a soapstone sealer over top of it to seal it all up, and then we're going to buff it. It's gonna be a light texture on it, so it's not gonna be too flashy. It's just gonna be very unique. We got it primed, and then we put our first coat on. What we use for the primer is a Sherwin-Williams Pro Block latex interior exterior, so we can put it right over our stucco. After that, we put our first coat on of Marmorino KS. It is tinted to the alabaster, and we're gonna let this dry, and then tomorrow we'll be doing the texture and everything else. All right guys, so we got our texture on, and what we did a skip trowel over our first coat, and we put some movement in it, and now we're just gonna scrape all these little boogers off. That way we can pull it tight, and then we're gonna burnish it, put a little water on it and burnish it, and then we're going to put the soapstone sealer on after that dries, and then we're gonna buff it. All right, guys, this is the end of our video of this beautiful range hood we did for our clients. Please subscribe down below, ring the bell, that way you don't miss a notification from us. Also, give us a like and a comment, let us know what you think. This range hood is done with 3 coats of Marmorino KS. We burnished it, we sealed it with a soapstone sealer, and then we buffed it, and that's it. Thank you for watching.